Hi friends, welcome to our class. Welcome to our channel Anu Academy. Let us start today's class. Today's class, as per our discussion, today we are going to learn game theory. Okay, we will learn different terminologies involved in this game theory. We'll come to know the importance of game theory and how this game theory can be learned in a easiest way, and the problems related to this game theory, how we can solve, we will learn in today's class. Okay, this is game uh, theory. Okay, game theory. Game, we often play different types of games, and in these games we will learn many things like improving our leadership qualities, like that. But apart from these things, game means we know one has to win, the other will lose. This is a common strategy in playing a game. But if we look after a subject point of view, the game theory, it teaches us how to make a perfect decision, right? So game theory means the player has to select a best strategy and he has to apply that strategy, and he has to win the game. Now we will see the different strategies, different terminologies involved in this game theory. Like we'll start with a game theory. If we define a game theory, we'll start with saying that it is a competitive situation. A competitive situation is called a game, and strategy of a player is the decision rule he uses for making a choice from his list of course of actions. Okay, now we'll see what are the things involved in this one. Okay, so one by one we'll discuss. See, first one, here in this game theory we have to learn about payoff. Okay, payoff. Payoff is the outcome of playing the game. Payoff is the outcome of playing the game, right? This is called playoff. Often we will get in the questions, so we will observe this word payoff. And the next is the maximum and minimax principle. Okay, in this game theory we often listen what is the term, that is maxi, min and mini max principle. Okay, so this maximum and minimax principle, this principle is used for the selection of optimal strategies by two players, right? So we'll show this as maximum value is equal to minimax value. This is the optimal strategy. Okay, we can write this is the optimal strategy. Okay, this is the optimal strategy. Next, in this payoff, usually problems will see one side of the matrix, left side of the matrix will select as player A, and the top of the matrix will write as player B. So this we will learn how we are getting the outcome of the game. Okay, playoff is the outcome of the game, right? Apart from this we have one more term, that is the saddle point. Okay, this is the saddle point. A saddle point is a position in the payoff matrix where the maximum of row minima coincides the minimum of column minima, right? So saddle point we can write here saying that the maximum of row minima right? Maximum of row minima. What happens in this maximum of row minima? It coincides with the minimum of column minima, right? Minimum of the column minimum of the column maxima. So it's like vice versa. So maximum of row minima coincides minimum of column minima, right? So here saddle point, maximum of row minima coincides minimum of column maxima. Okay now? Yeah. Now we will see one problem which is related to this game theory and how we get the problem and how we can solve the solution. Okay. See, first we will read the problem. Solve the following payoff matrix. Determine the optimal strategies and the value of game. Okay, here this is the given matrix saying that this is the player A and this is player B, and here what we have to show in this problem, we have to solve the following payoff matrix determining the optimal strategies and the value of the game. So here the thing is, first and the prior thing is we have to understand this problem. After understanding this problem, we have to start the solution. So here the first thing is we have to apply the optimal strategies for this given matrix of player A and player B. And next we have to show the payoff matrix, right? What is the payoff matrix? Payoff matrix is the outcome of the game, right? Payoff matrix is the outcome of the playing game, right? So now we'll see the solution. Here as it is, we will write this matrix, right? 5, and here we will show this is A and this is B, right? Now we will show let this B, let this matrix be. Here we will write, okay, A1, A11 and A12 and A21 and A22. Okay, so this is A1 and this is A2, B1 and B2. Okay, so the optimal strategies we are applying here, the optimum mixed strategies. So strategy for A we are applying as A1, A2 and P1, P2. Okay, this is for the strategy A. And what about the strategy B? This is for the strategy B. We are applying same B1, B2 and this is Q1 and this is Q2. Okay, now we have applied the strategies for the given matrix. Now what we will do here is we'll calculate P1, we'll calculate P2 and we'll calculate Q1 and Q2, right? Why we are calculating, why we are concentrating on this P1, P2, Q1, Q2? These are the strategies we are applying for the given matrix in order to find the payoff. Okay, so as per given problem, these are the strategies for A and strategy B we are applying, and we'll calculate the payoff of the given matrix, right, by applying these type of strategies, right? So now the next step is, as we have discussed, we will calculate P1. We'll calculate P1. So P1 is, we will write here A22 minus A21 by listen, A11 plus A22, okay, minus A12 plus A21. Okay, now we know what are the values of A22, A21, right? We know A11, A22 a1 to play and a2 1. So these values will write here 4 minus 3 by 5 plus 4. So this is 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. So this is 1 plus 3. We will get here 1 by 5. Okay. Next, after calculating P1, we will move to P2. Okay. Here we can write P2. Once we know the value of P1, it will be easy for us to find the P2. So writing here that P2 is 1 minus P1. So this becomes P2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5. We know what is the value of P1 is 1 by 5. So we will get here 4 by 5. Understood? Now we have calculated P1 and P2. Same way we will calculate Q1 and Q2 and we'll move to the value of the game. Right? Yes. Now same way Q1, right? Here we'll write A22 minus A12. Okay, slight change is there. So here A11 plus A22, okay, minus A12 plus A21. Okay, so right here we know the values. Here it becomes 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. So here these values are same. So we will get 3 by 5. Okay. Now we will calculate Q2. Q2, once we know the value of Q1, we will write the same 1 minus this is Q1. So here we will get the value of Q2 is 1 minus 3 by 5. It is 2 by 5. Okay. Now after calculating, after knowing the values of P1, P2, Q1, Q2, next we'll move to the value of the game. Okay, value of the game. Here value of the game is gamma, right? Value of the game is gamma. We will write here 5 into 4 minus 1 into 3 by 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so we are getting 17 by 5, right? So I think you are understanding how we are getting the value of the game gamma. 5 into 4, right? So here we can see this one, 5 into 4 minus 1 into 3 by 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3, right? So like that we are calculating this value of the game gamma. Now what is the last step we have to know, right? After knowing the value of the game, now therefore the optimum mixed strategies. Now we'll close this one by this with this statement, the optimum mixed strategies. Optimum mixed strategies, that is S of A, strategy for A is 1 by 5 comma 4 by 5 and strategy for B is 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Okay, and what is the value of game? What is the value of game? Now we have calculated gamma, no? That is the value of the game. So put this answer in a box. We will get good marks. Okay, hope that understood this problem, right? So like that we have to explain this problem related to the game theory. Okay, so if you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the comments. You can give your comments. I will give you the reply. Okay, please subscribe our channel. Please like and share our channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.